So this is the best travel bag for makeup that I have. I actually am using it every day because it's super convenient and roomy. So I have been able to fit so much stuff in here. I wanted to do a video because I haven't really seen a lot of videos of like what everything fits, but I actually still have space in some of this area, but I just wanted to show how much I can get into these little sections. And I like that all of these come out. So I made this one long, but I do have the dividers if I did want to make them into different cubbies. But I have so much stuff in here that fits perfectly. Nothing is not fitting. These are decent sized palettes, makeup, primers, all of that fits in here. I have lashes in here, just a bunch of different things. This is full of just different items, and it goes all the way down, guys. I mean, this is a really good bag. I have four different actually items in this little section here, and then all of my brushes fit here. I could probably put more, but these are the ones I use every day. And then this side pocket here, I actually didn't think anything was going to fit, but you will be shocked. I have 2 large palettes in here. So I have this very long large palette, and then I have this other one here. So as you can see, it fits quite a bit. I think I have a mascara back here. It's a little dirty because I have been traveling with it quite a bit, but definitely something I recommend anyone who loves makeup, loves to have things organized, travels quite a bit. This is the right one for you. It is super, super nice. Like, the quality is great. These are not flimsy. I was worried these were going to be super soft and flimsy. They are so hard and they stay in place. And again, the fact that I can change this up into different cubbies is amazing. This is how it fits best for me, but I highly recommend it.
Here it is. Very nice. It unzips very easily. With 2 hands, that is. It's very nice. All your brushes. They're all the same size, all 4 slots, so you can fit numerous brushes in each slot. This goes all the way in. You unzip it, it goes all the way over. And you can put your hand all the way back in there. All of these, it's a very hard plastic, and then within that plastic it's all foam lined, and these are interchangeable. You can move them around however you like. So yeah, on the bottom underneath this lining is padding. So there's padding here underneath. This is a hard case frame with the padding all on the edges as well. So everything's fully protected. I don't see how anything will ever get broken in here. Perfect for traveling, for makeup, or if you have something very fragile that you don't want to get broken. Yeah, good quality case. Plenty enough room for all my makeup, I hope.
This makeup bag has honestly been a game changer for me. It holds so much stuff. I know a lot of people get this bag to stay organized, and I am definitely the type of person who just throws my stuff in here. But I will say, if you want to stay organized, this is super, super great. You can see all the grooves on the side. That is so you can section off your areas. These little pieces come out, and then it came with a lot of other pieces, but like I said, I like to just throw my stuff in here. But you can section it off. There's like little squares for you to section. You can make them longer, you can make them as thin as you want. You could even take this out and put it this way and section it into 2 parts. There's so many different things you can do, and there's different sizes, which is great. This has a handle, and then up here, this is where I keep all of my brushes, and then there's a zipper in here as well for more storage. This holds so much stuff. Like, I'm just so impressed with it, and the quality is amazing. You honestly couldn't ask for a better makeup bag.
Okay, so this is the box, or the case. This is what it looks like on the inside. You got lots of little storage space here. I currently just use this for all of my dip powder, but you have dividers. It comes with many dividers. Oh, sorry. Let's see, I'll put them away. So they come in different sizes, and as you can see, like, if I wanted to, I could, let's see, cut this off, maybe use a bigger one. Use a bigger one. You'd be able to kind of like make your own little spaces as needed. It's very durable. Like, I don't know, I would buy it, y'all.
Okay, so normally I'm not one for video reviews, but I just had to post this because when I got this makeup case out of the bag that it came in, the box that it came in, I was very surprised at the quality of it. I don't know why. I mean, you know, sometimes you order stuff off Amazon and it's, so it's very sturdy for one. I don't know, I expected it to be flimsy. But I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to, I'm not a big makeup person like that, but I do use makeup to kind of cover up blemishes and spots and stuff. But I want to get organized, and this is so dope. I mean, it is very good quality. I'm loving it already. I cannot wait to put my stuff in it. Just wanted to give my 2 cents.
TikTokers, content creators, YouTubers. This is a great option for small camera equipment, lights, like stuff that goes in tripods, small stuff that you don't know where to put. And this is just a great option. And the camera bag industry is huge. It makes a lot of money. And for something like this, they'll charge it 4 times as much because they know you're willing to pay for something that is specific. And this this pouch right here is big for small tripods. It's big enough, I mean, and it's just a great option. So, TikTokers, YouTubers, I do not use makeup, but this is a great option if you are a filmmaker.
Alright, so I absolutely love this traveling case. It's a little dirty right now. Let's see if I can open it with one hand. It holds literally everything. I adjusted these so that I can
hold everything I need it to hold. Yeah, absolutely loved it. It's very durable. It holds everything it really needs to hold.
Sí, está bonito.